Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Dear student, today we are going to revise the remaining question of story number 10, The Aged Bird. Let's start. Question number 3. What was Bobak's plan to get back at the monkeys? Answer. Bobak had planned to get the monkeys on a boat with a hole in it and then sink the boat. He had planned to get the monkeys' tails tied together so that they couldn't swim when the boat sank. Now student, again we are going to revise word synonym and also questions and answer of story number 10. Let's start. Story number 10, The Aged Bird. Word synonym. First word is appearance. Synonym external or outside. Horrible. Synonym distasteful or dreadful. Word scrambled. Synonym confused. Question number 1. What was Aged Bird doing at the start of the story? Answer. The Aged Bird was sleeping at the start of the story. Question number 2. What made the tortoise want to help the Aged Bird? Answer. The monkeys had trampled the tortoise in the past and he too wanted to teach the monkeys a lesson. Question number 3. What was Bobak's plan to get back at the monkeys? Answer. Bobak had planned to get the monkeys on a boat with a hole in it and then to sink the boat. He had planned to get the monkeys' tails tied together so that they couldn't swim when the boat sank. So student, your homework is memorize story number 10, do its test, send your test work in WhatsApp group. Hope you understand. Allah Hafiz.